Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get this intake off and the exhaust off in preparation for our horseshoe style intake and new header. Now I found one more problem with these, and you can see where I welded up that spot. Wasn't too big of a deal, but if you look right here at how thin this side is and look how thick this side is, and look at the edge of this versus the edge of that, like, it's not machined very well. It's a little crooked, so I'm gonna have to spend some more time on that belt sander. Well, I'll have to spend some time, I haven't even touched it yet, and actually work this side down to straighten it out. So maybe that's another thing to consider before buying a Dorman, because I'm not very impressed with that. Also, I've seen other spots where it looks like they welded up spots from the factory. Like there's a spot right there they welded up, there's a spot right here, so be warned. I've already taken the belt off. I'm working on power steering right now. I'll try to leave this here. So I've already broke these loose. I'm gonna stick the socket through this hole and get this one bolt out, hopefully. I already tried doing it with the ratchet and got the ratchet stuck, so I had to run the bolt back in just to get the ratchet out. So we're gonna try this. I probably could pull the fan off. Damn it. Oh, we're on the move. Ah. This other one, I think I can get with the ratchet without the fan shroud out of them. It's another reason I want to go to electric fans. I guess I finally made up my mind, is just gets it out of the damn way. That should be out of the way enough. This might be able to just hang out. Run that over there. Alright, now we gotta get our intercooler out of the way. That's out of the way. Get all these unhooked. Those are unhooked to 10 mils. I lost my 1/4" extension. Hopefully that's the same. Looks like it is. Maybe. That one goes there, that one goes... Yep, that's the same. Oh, that's cool. I only used 2 of the bolts anyway, I think, since where I put the fuel rail. Well, maybe I did get all the bolts back in it. Oh yeah, there it is. that's out of the way. That's good. Get that there. Keep in mind, I've never done this before in a 4-liter, so I am just winging it, as I do most things. It really doesn't look like it's going to take that long or be that bad. If I can pull this wiring up a little bit, that'd be... Oh yeah, that's great. Way more room to get to everything. Alright, we can leave that there. Get this off. I better throw it over here. Now I gotta find the quick release tool. Got it. Let's see. Small size, medium size. Must be the small one. Not too bad. Just let that hang out there. And that off of there. Alright, now we just got a handful of bolts and I think it comes out. That's the alignment pin, so there's 6 across the bottom, but the ones holding the intake are going to be that one, and these top ones, and the intake should come off. So let's try that. I'll see if we can find those underneath ones first. That might be long enough. Ah. Oh, they are not 13s. Must be 14s. Or it went back to standard or something else stupid. All right, 16's close enough. Right there. No. Hopefully they don't just break or I'll... Oh, good. I'll be having even more fun. Eventually we're going to take this head off and pour it and do some cool stuff. Ah, the floor caught it. Alright, that one. Let's feel around. No way. No, didn't catch it. I was close. There it is. Shoot, this ain't gonna take nothing. Or maybe I wish I didn't open my mouth. think I can get the back one with a wrench. Probably could, but we'll see if we can just get this on it. There we are. Oh, right in the middle. All right, good. Hopefully that last bolt. Oh no, that's on the exhaust. I must have missed one underneath. Another shared bolt. These two must hit it too. All right, 2 more bolts. There's nothing there. Right there. I could probably leave them in. Just loosen them up. Yeah. Let's see what else we forgot to disconnect. Oh, maybe a little looser. I don't think it has any holes to get lined up in. Oh, it's got to come out of these. It's got to be enough to get out of those slots or out of those pins. A little more. All right, we're out of there. Let that fuel pour out of there onto the floor. Oh, look at that. Remember all this crap that was in here? This doesn't have any of that crap this one had. I'm really wondering more and more if this is a dormant issue. Shoot. I was hoping this was still half blocked off, but it's not. We're definitely bigger on our ports though. Stop peeing. Oh yeah, we're much larger on our ports. That versus wide open, fully ported. Oh yeah, that's still gonna be an upgrade. Not only does it have bigger runners in this area, this newer intake, but the plenum volume, or this one's just two. It's just 2 small logs. This one's got this whole chamber. Now, volume-wise, it's probably at least twice the amount of volume. It's definitely gonna be better. Hopefully, this didn't change much. Mess up my intercooler. Find a tape measure and check that out. To the bolt hole. To the flange, 5.5. Bolt hole to the flange, 5.5. Cool. I don't have to worry about that. Intercooler will bolt back on. Centered. Rail looks like it bolts on the exact same. Here. Nothing else crazy different. The tangs look about the same. These look about the same. Cool. So tomorrow, hopefully I can get off work early, take this by my buddy's, by his shop, cut that down some, square it up, and hopefully if my header's here, then we can put this thing together tomorrow. See how this looks. I never heard my exhaust leaking or anything, so that's good. Really not that much carbon buildup, but I mean, after me and my abuse on this thing with the blower, yeah, I probably knocked most of that crap out of there. Looks fairly clean. I can't wait to get a cam in this thing and get it ported. But I think that's all we're going to do for this video. The next video is going to be reassembly. Hopefully you caught enough of that. Obviously, to get the manifold off, 2 bolts down there, 1 nut, another nut, bolt, 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 and it's off of there. So stay tuned. As soon as the header gets here, we'll be putting this back together. New header, new style intake, and hopefully make some more power.